traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, definitely a very strong move to the downside. At this point, it probably is more likely that it will go down and retest these lows. But I'm still not ruling out the possibility that it does end up going up and making this expanding flat or running flat pattern like I've been talking about. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, it definitely does look like a double three pattern. I mean, to me, it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, which is probably going to lead to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, maybe even down to the 100% fib extension. Definitely looks like the most likely scenario now. But like I said, if and when we do get that break to the upside, I'm definitely going to start looking for logs just in case it really does end up just continuing up like that. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. We technically should still be looking for shorts in a downtrend. This whole move down, I would assume, is a wave 1 or possibly a wave A, probably more likely a wave 1 to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downtrend like I showed on the weekly. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we did have a pretty decent turn up yesterday, which is good. But technically, the trend is definitely still down. What does that mean? That means that this move up could still be a crutch into this last wave down, and this could easily still keep on trending down very easily. So for me, I'm definitely still looking for shorts until we get that breaker structure. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. Now that was a pretty strong move up yesterday, and it does look like we possibly could get that breaker structure, which is great news for me. Now for me personally, I will not be looking for longs until we get the breaker structure, and even when we get the break, I'll probably have to wait for a pullback in order to go long. Because even though this move up is looking very strong, it could still bounce off one of these fib levels. It could still make a big move to the downside, a break a structure, and just keep on trending down. The trend is definitely still down on our roadmap timeframes. That means that this could still be a crutch into this wave down, and that it still could bounce from a fib level and continue the downtrend. So I definitely recommend, until we get that big breaker structure we've been waiting for, still keeping an eye out for more sorting opportunities. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.